Okay, it is the 27th of May 2021. This is WIKISPEED Standup. Oh, Lauren, I have a message that your video has been turned off to same bandwidth.
My video?
Yeah.
It's showing my video on. Hang on a second. I'll turn it off and on. Yeah, on my end, it's showing me.
Hmm. Okay,
So
well maybe it's on my side that it's. Oh, there you are.
yeah, okay. Yeah, but you're looking pixely.
Okay, maybe I was having. Well, I'm showing green. Yeah, whatever. Go ahead.
Okay. Yeah. Lawrence Salter, Gabriel Island, British Columbia, Canada. The past week, the one thing I did was I read a little bit of the Wiki Factory on the level sensor, and I did some searches on Amazon for levels, tank level sensors. And I'll talk in crosstalk about what I saw. And I haven't shared them yet. I hadn't had time. Coming week, I hope in a week I'll be more substantive. So, and blocks are just uh, generic, general things to for me to move along. So that's it.
Okay. It is Michael Wolchuk from Saskatoon, Canada. Last week I posted the video for the meeting on the tank level project. Lauren and I discussed what we need to do, and we also discussed the CERN license for the hardware. I haven't done anything with that as yet. The Sunfounder Raspberry Pi kit. I reread the Circuit Seller articles, and it turns out that Ubuntu 2004 is what I should be loading. Where I ran into trouble is the video series that I found on YouTube was using Ubuntu 16, and the the video series is old enough that some of the stuff that they suggest that you do has gone out of support, and you can't find it anymore. So the libraries won't load. So I reinstalled Ubuntu 2004 and reinstalled the ROS version Noetic Ningemi or Ningemi, whatever it is called. Anyway, that's where I got to. And the Raspberry Pi Wi-Fi adapter or the car kit was supposed to be in 2 weeks ago, and it's supposed to be now in this week. I'm on the lookout for it. Next week, I am hoping to get a little bit further on the ROS videos and the demo inside Circuit Seller, and I'll post what I kind of find and how applicable it is. I'm not sure, but it sounds like it should be pretty interesting. And again, I'm going to be up at the lake, and hopefully I get time to actually take some video of the tank level in tank level project in use. Um,
Nice.
I didn't. Uh, the version that I use has two parts. It has the tank level and the repeater, and that's not. I don't think that's a good one to show a demo of, just because it's complicated. So I was trying to find a way to measure the level in a barrel or something, and I found that I don't want to drill a hole in the top of the enclosure that I've got. So I'm back to looking for something to mount it all into, which I thought I had finished working with. Anyway,
Hmm.
hopefully next week I will have found something to mount it into and plug in a battery and show that it works. Blocks, none besides time. I'm on a side note, I have officially retired, so I should have a little bit more time to work on this kind of stuff. Back to you, Lauren.
Yeah, congratulations. So I'll give myself a 3, the team a 9, and process improvement. Um, I'll say yeah, get someone else. We can start to try and get more people on the meeting on the stand up again, and there's a little progress on that. So in terms of at least talking to Joe. So
Okay.
okay, now I'm ready for crosstalk and
Okay.
uh,
Give me a second. I think I have to do my retro. Um,
oh sorry.
I'm going to give myself 6 out of 10, and I'll go with an 8 for the team, and I'll agree with the process improvement. We need to get more people on stand up. So, what would you like to talk about?
Yeah, so I want to end
Oh,
the
in the
recording.
recording? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Give me a second.